Upgrade. Now upgrade. Oh, more fun with new upgrade. Oh yes, sir. This is just so long. Oh my god. Out. What are you doing? What do you know my name? Oh no. But you don't know my password. You never stop me.
It's 2-1.
2-1? Oh. This is only goal. If wrong, just try again.
Just try again.
Yes.
Just don't hack my friend's accounts.
I don't care.
I don't know my password.
Because you didn't save it.
But I save it, stupid. You dumb.
No. You didn't save. Stupid. This is like a Mr. Beast, so...
Where?
This... No, this is...
The Ghost Blade?
Yes, just like a Mr. Beast. So
No, that's not Mr. Beast.
you got this.
What's happening to the knife?
Yeah, but why do you?
Yippee!
You're odd. You're what's really going to good? You got odd.
Stupid game.
Wait. It takes so long. You need to hand the That's disgusting. Go. How many blue is that? Look at my hand.
No.
Wait, look at my hand. It's 2. And this auto clicker. There's many.
Finally, something useful. Not like my pet useless. Oh. Yes. Stop it enough.
This is so slow. It's a mod. Also to the music. God. This is so slow.
What did we download this game for?
Nice.
For Roblox?
Yes.
break. It's a stupid attacker. Hey!
What a flip!
Really back and many
Here.
are finally.
Hi.
Ah!
This game took so long. Dude, that feels so much fun.
Ah!
Yeah.
What happened?
You guys, you literally messed up.
Siya nga ba?
They're useless. No more fun. And there's no more studs in here. Look at that. What happened to the song?
My friend's password is 1121. No, that's not the real. We're just joking. That's not the real password. Or you'll hack. You're doomed if you hack my friend's account. We will delete our channel.
And I will call Jenna.
Shut up. Jenna's not real. Just watch Crick Rock's videos. Sana ba?
Why is it so hard? Let's go. Let's go.
Shut up. Final one.
Look at our because
Shut up. Don't care.
we are here. There's no way because there's no odds in there.
Not again.
Because you messed up there.
Shut up. I don't care. I don't care.
No, you know what it's called.
So that's your trick? Nope.
That's all for today, guys. This will be part 2.